car quits. Fall! You're watching Mafia TV. We film the hits, we show the real. For the drivers and promoters too, we bring the derby world to you. Still on still, no apologies. This is life in the derby scene.
This is our Consi race. The 44D and the 17.
Yeah.
Well, there's 4. Colin never got started.
The 44D got hung up on the pole. She called it a Tootsie Roll back here. That's because the man behind you's eating Tootsie Rolls. He'll give you one if you ask.
What? Okay.
Not that we know. It's so quiet.
What?
Rob
Rob doesn't have a camera.
I know.
Richard Lindale's giving out penny candy. He told me it costs 12 cents now. When he was a young kid, it was a penny. And it's 12 cents a piece now. That looks like Lucky Colin made it out in that number 1 from Harrington, Delaware, folks. Let's give it up for Lucky Colin.
Yeah, a seat right here. Excellent. Excellent.
Alrighty. So Mike, one of these will transfer, or 2. We're going to take 2 of you 3 to go to the main event. Alright, drivers, fire up your cars. Drivers, are you ready? Are all 3 fired up? Fans, are you ready? We're going to count it down on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Consi! Mike, you're it. There's Lucky in 44. That's called threading the needle. Red flag, second flag.